Amazon kitchen finds you actually need. If you love discovering great products like this, don't forget to subscribe and like this video to stay updated. This is the egg ring mold. These colorful, food-grade silicone egg rings help you cook perfectly shaped fried eggs every time. With their non-stick design, they are easy to use and clean. This is the egg flipper spatula. It allows you to grip and flip everything from eggs to pancakes with ease. This is the egg topper. Made from durable stainless steel, it effortlessly removes the top of your soft or hard-boiled eggs. The silicone handle ensures a comfortable grip while cracking eggs. This is the soda can organizer. Designed to store your cans in the refrigerator neatly, this adjustable organizer fits regular and mini cans. This is the universal can cooler. It fits both regular and slim cans as well as bottles, ensuring your drinks stay cold for hours. The stainless steel construction makes it durable and ideal. This is the can cover. Made to fit standard soda and beer cans, this cover keeps your drinks fresh and prevents spills. This is the kitchen sink caddy. This sink organizer keeps your dish tools tidy and within reach. It's a simple way to keep your kitchen clean. This is the dish drying rack, foldable with an anti-slip silicone wrap. It's perfect for drying dishes and even as a cooling rack for cookies. This is the automatic soap dispenser. Touchless and adjustable, it provides the perfect amount of soap every time, ensuring a clean and convenient experience. This is the easy can opener. A compact, colorful opener that makes it simple to lift tabs on soda and aluminum cans without hassle. It keeps your fingers safe. This is the banana stuffer. A fun and easy way to core and fill a banana while it's still in its peel, perfect for creating a healthy snack or adding your favorite fillings. This is the beverage cooler. Instantly cool your favorite drinks like iced coffee or juice in just 1 minute. It's reusable, durable, and keeps your drinks perfectly chilled without watering them down. This is the 3-in-1 breakfast station. With an egg steamer, non-stick griddle, and wide toaster slots, this versatile station helps you cook a complete breakfast quickly and easily. This is the Stuffler stuffed waffle maker. Create delicious Belgian waffles stuffed with your favorite ingredients. It's a fun way to make a filling meal or a sweet treat without extra mess. This is the peanut butter maker, a compact, powerful machine that lets you make fresh peanut butter or other nut spreads at home with ease. This is the cookie press baking set. With 13 cookie discs, you can easily create beautifully shaped cookies and cakes, adding a professional touch to your baking. This is the microwave bowl cozy holders. These heat-proof pads protect your hands while handling hot bowls straight from the microwave, ensuring safety and comfort every time. This is the cupcake scoop batter dispenser. Perfect for evenly portioning batter for muffins, cupcakes, or pancakes, making baking simple and mess-free. This is the meat chopper, perfect for breaking up ground meat. It's heat-resistant and ensures quick, even cooking. This is the clip-on strainer silicone, designed to fit any pot or pan, allowing you to easily drain pasta, vegetables, or meat. This is the automatic pan stirrer. With longer nylon legs, it stirs your food evenly while you focus on other tasks. This is the Lazy Susan Revolution. Designed for rectangular and oblong tables, this expandable turntable makes serving at parties or family dinners a breeze. This is the electric salt and pepper grinder. This grinder ensures perfectly seasoned meals with its adjustable coarseness and built-in LED light for precise control. This is the electric warming tray. With adjustable temperature and foldable design, it keeps food warm at the perfect temperature during family gatherings, parties, or holidays. This is the fruit basket for kitchen. Its 5-tier rotating design offers large storage for fruits and vegetables, with a metal wire frame and wheels for easy movement. Keep your kitchen tidy. This is the cereal container. It's airtight BPA-free and holds 2L with a spout and measuring cup for easy dispensing. This is the rice storage container. It holds up to 30 pounds with a collapsible airtight lid, wheels, and a scoop, ideal for food or pet food storage. This is the acrylic spice organizer. It helps organize your spices neatly in a drawer or on the countertop, making it easy to find what you need. Ideal for anyone looking to simplify meal prep and keep the kitchen tidy. This is the kitchen drawer organizer. With 9 slots, it efficiently organizes your utensils and cutlery. Its expandable design ensures it fits perfectly in any drawer, offering a stylish way to keep your kitchen organized. This is the under sink organizer. This multi-purpose shelf with hooks and a hanging cup is perfect for storing cleaning supplies in your kitchen or bathroom, making everything accessible and organized. This is the mini donut maker. It makes 7 delicious donuts at a time with an easy-to-clean non-stick surface. Perfect for a quick breakfast or dessert. It's a fun way to enjoy homemade donuts with minimal effort. This is the breakfast sandwich maker. Designed to let you customize your sandwich with any ingredients you like, it's the perfect tool for creating quick and delicious meals. This gadget makes breakfast easier and tastier. This is the electric crepe maker. It's perfect for making crepes, pancakes, or chapati, and easy to use for quick homemade treats. Thanks for watching. If you found these kitchen finds helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. See you in the next one.